How to take care of us if we have thrombosis. As my dear friends of YouTuber are in this opportunity, we will talk about how to change our daily habits, what to do and eat to control and take care of a thrombosis. Thrombosis is the blockage of a blood vessel, caused by the formation of a thrombus, called a blood clot, that can cause an acute myocardial infarction. This condition occurs, mostly, in the deep venous system, composed by deep veins, located in the lower extremities. Thrombosis can be caused by different factors, four being the main ones. First of all, there is the decrease in the speed of blood flow, which in turn can be produced by the state at rest, while lying down, using a splint or a plaster bandage, for a dehydration or a venous condition that was previously suffered. Second, there are lesions in the vascular wall, caused by wounds, some inflammation or operation, even due to venous alterations due to age. Also, the increase in blood coagulation, which can be caused by drugs, is the cause of the thrombosis, which cause the balance between coagulation and dilution of the clots to be altered. Finally, cancer is found. When a patient suffers from cancer, increases the chances of suffering thrombosis in 4 to 20%. Sometimes thrombosis, the cause of death in patients, after having even overcome the disease itself. On the other hand, the symptoms that are caused by the thrombosis are pain and inflammation in the calf end, or the thigh, depending on the location of the clot. It also has to be said that the chances of suffering from thrombosis increase as years go by, during pregnancy, excess weight, and tobacco consumption. It is also very important to know that a thrombosis can end in an embolism and cause death, so we must take care of ourselves by doing permanent exercises. The most recommended exercises to treat thrombosis are fixed bicycle, walking, doing yoga, Pilates, leg and ankle exercises, swimming and climbing stairs. People who suffer from thrombosis should exercise regularly but also have an active life. If you are not used to physical activity, you should start small, exercising only 20 minutes and then you will be adding more time. Physical activity should be low impact but continue to stimulate blood circulation and thus prevent the formation of blood clots in the body. After the exercise session, it is recommended to raise the legs to favor venous return and avoid thrombi. People who have thrombosis should wear flat and low shoes so that blood flows properly. In addition, you must completely quit smoking, or go to places where there are smokers. In addition, obesity leads to an imbalance in the levels of cholesterol and triglycerides, the lipids that can cause arterial obstruction. The consumption of foods rich in vitamin C, for example, increases the production of collagen and elastin, two substances that help maintain the elasticity of the arterial walls. It should also include more vitamin E, antioxidant substance that prevents the oxidation of cholesterol to prevent coagulation. Do not forget a good dose of vitamin K, essential to reduce the activity of a protein called GLA of the matrix, which is related to veins, varices, and thrombosis. Some recommended foods are orange, and lemon is very powerful to improve blood circulation and eliminate toxins. Do not let a day pass without drinking a glass of lemon juice, fasting or dressing your salads with a juicy lemon. Extra virgin olive oil rich in omega-6 fatty acids, and ideal to reduce the level of bad cholesterol or LDL of the blood. Thanks to olive oil, we maintain flexible arteries, and reduce atherosclerotic plaque, which always hinders blood flow, and that accelerates the risk of suffering a thrombus. Grapefruit, also called grapefruit. Garlic. Consume a clove of garlic, at least, a day. It is rich in allicin, a medicinal enzyme that takes care of your health, with anticoagulant effect. The artichokes cooked with a little vinegar, olive oil, and lemon is a more than recommended option. Is amazing. This vegetable is one of the best to prevent thrombi and embolism. Carrots are a very suitable source of beta-carotenes, a substance capable of reducing the occurrence of heart attacks, and which also balances cholesterol levels, helping to prevent thrombi and emboli. The grapes, the flavonoids found in the juice of yuba, raise the level of HDL, good cholesterol. This prevents clogging of the arteries, and the heart stays healthy. Strawberries, almonds, and avocado. There is also tangerine, kiwi, and broccoli. Good, my dear friends, I hope that this information will help you to have a better health and a better life. If they like to give it to you and do not stop subscribing, I hope this is a very special week. Have many successes. The best for all of you and many blessings.